everyone, it's Sandy. Welcome to my first video of 2017. I hope you guys had a wonderful new year. So I'm starting off with making a giant pearly slime. I've been wanting to make these for a while now. I just love the look and how it pops out. So I started off with 6 bottles of clear glue. Now you don't have to make a giant version. You can totally make a small one. I recommend clear glue over white glue just because I noticed that the shine and the color shows up way better. And now I'm adding the shine to the slime. So I have these pearl pigments and I'm going to mix it with baby oil. Other options instead of the pearl pigments is that you can use eyeshadow pigments that are like shiny or even metallic paints or even just a combination of all of them. So I poured some baby oil into my bowl and then I put the powder in and then I stirred everything until it's completely liquid. And then I'm pouring that into the glue. And this is the result that I got. You can definitely see the like pearl shine in it. So instead of like mixing it with baby oil, you can definitely just add the powder into the slime directly. But I found that adding the baby oil gives it like an extra shine. So that's up to you how you want to color your slime and give it the shine. And now I'll be adding my slime activator, which is 1 teaspoon of borax plus 1 cup of hot water. And you just want to keep doing this until it forms into slime. So here I know that it looks a little wrinkly and that's okay. You just let it sit out, let it stretch out on a hard surface and it'll become smooth again. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!